view. So let's see what the cabin looks like. Now we gotta do it again. There we go. Your wristband opens the door. Ooh. Look at the curtains opening for us as we enter the room. Wow. Nice room. Wonderful. So it's interesting seeing what we've learned about on paper, and the lights actually, I think they should go on automatically. Anyway, this is the balcony with the hammock. So come on over. Everyone has this handmade hammock. So I'll be looking forward to this. And as you can see, we haven't left yet, but it looks like a very nice cabin. Let's see what the bathroom looks like, shall we? Oh, nice closet space here. You kind of hide things well here, so we've got all kinds. I don't know why the light went off with the curtains opened. The light's on in here. Oh, cute little bathroom. That's the bathroom. Not bad. So I think it will be very comfortable in this room. Nice room. The embarkation process was probably the easiest embarkation process I've ever been through on a cruise ship. You have your app to prepare before you get on the ship, and so we got everything done. And so we were in the ready to sail line. You go up, they give you everything. It was so easy. And now they put our names on the TV. So we will post more as we
See,
go
I'm in
along.
capitals, so I'm important.
Yeah. Why is your name in capitals?
I'm important.
Anyway, we will be posting from our ports of call and on the ship, other spaces, and so far so good. This was very, very good embarkation. Like the room. See you later.